Turnips gone to seed. Look at all these seed pods. Tons and tons and tons of little seed pods. Just look at them all in there. I cut the tops, or I cut them and I brought them up here on the deck so they could dry out more. And when they get dry enough, I'm gonna, like just take them out of these little shells here and collect all the seeds. You can see this one's already starting to pop open. See how some of them, when they get real dry, they go ahead and pop open and then they drop the seeds. But that's okay. I probably had hundreds of seeds fall out there already, but that's okay because they'll grow and they'll just make more turnips and more turnip greens. But right here, I don't know, tons of tiny little seeds for the turnips. So I let those dry out, and as I get my gardens going a little bit better, I'll be throwing those, or not throwing them, but like planting them in the garden and end up with a huge turnip and turnip greens garden. Let me take you out here and show you where I cut them down at. And right over here where my 4x8 is. And then if you'd seen any of my previous videos, you would have seen this area right here just grown tall and leaned over that way. And that's where I trimmed them. As you can see, I trimmed a bunch of them all in there. I left the bottoms in because the bottoms are the roots, and they will make more greens now that they're not supporting these tops here. Then the plant will continue to want to grow, and it will put out more green and more leaves, so we'll have turnip greens. And but anyway, I'm going to be clearing all the extra growth stuff in here that I don't want. I'll be pulling up by the roots and kind of getting it out of there, kind of turning the dirt a little bit. And then whenever I get the seeds, I'll just sprinkle seeds in here and wherever else. And also, there's one that grew right here. So you can see odds and ends down in here. But I'll get that done, and we'll have some more turnips and turnip greens. And hopefully everything will turn out good. There's a hole there. Around here, you never know what you're going to find in a hole in the ground. Johnny ran across a snake not too long ago. But anyway, that's what we're going to do. And wish me luck. Give me a thumbs up. And hopefully we'll be able to have some more turnips and turnip greens growing soon. I'll do an update on what I got in the 4x8 here soon. Talk to you later. Bye.